All right, we're just having a little bit of an issue getting above this 21 area. It's trying. If we do get above it, a little bit bullish, but again, the market has to do it. We can't force it. Wow, we're just kind of hanging up here, trying to get above the range bound. But if we do get above the 7 and 21, we're a little bit bullish. We'll look for upside resistance there. But it's fighting right here. But bond market is on the lows, so just keep an eye out on there. And if you're going to take any trade, make sure you put your stop in place. So we always talk about that more than anything else. Anything below 15, you want to be out of any. Well, depending on your stop, but that you don't want to be long below the 15. And right here in the middle, we're just got to be patient.
Hey, quick shout out to Stephanie G. Hey, Stephanie, I just sent to everybody. So if you're interested in staying here, want to be part of these services, I just posted the opportunity to stay in the chat for everyone. Stephanie, give me some feedback on where you're at. Hey, DL, I sent you out something. Let me know if that hit your email box.
Now we can see here, we talked about we're getting a little bit bullish here on the market. We got above the 21, and we're doing that right now. Again, we were kind of held that little area there. We got above the 21, and the market here is continuing to uptick. So we're a little bit bullish there. If you again looking to get along a little bit there against that backdrop, and you're taking advantage of this little rotation going up here. So if you did get long there, nice little trade. If you got long at 22, 23 area, you got a nice little pop back up here. And take it back down to 20-ish, 21 area. So maybe you were able to jump in there. So nice little trade there. Again, we were trying to get you long. We also said anything above 21 out of any shorts. And there was also kind of a way there to get long. Or we said if we get above the 21, we're going to get the market is bullish. And we fought it. They fought it. Finally got above it and had a little bit of a pop back up here. Continue to stay long, looking for the 30 area. Have a trailing stop if you're long, and that way you can lock in some profits and see if we can get up to the 30 area there. Obviously, take some profits here all along the way if you are long.
Hey, DL, I think it was yesterday morning. It was from PayPal. Just let me know if we're on track. It was yesterday morning. It was PayPal. Just let me know if we're on track. Stephanie, let us know. I don't want you to get exited.
All right, quick rotation up here. Nice little pop up here against the again, trying to get you a little bit long there. Coming up here to the 30 area. Okay, get up right up here to the 30 area. See what we want to do up here. Again, you hit these stops, as you can see. And look in this 30 area here a little bit. Got right up to 31 there. I did not get filled on my 31, unfortunately. So again, we were trying to get you along there, looking for a push up here to the 30 area. Maybe some of you did get long. Nice little rotation up here. Now work in this 30 area if you're going to get short up here or not.
DL. I'm not sure when the 150 was part of the cycle. I think we were sending you out, requests. I just wanted to keep you in the flow. I can change it to that if you want. I just want to make sure that you're caught up. That's all. Know what you're thinking. I'll be happy to send you the 150 and then just do it again later. I just wanted to give you the breaking price. And the larger number, the larger numbers for 3 months, right? So, the larger numbers for 3 months. You got it.
All right, we quickly rotated back up here to this 30 area and got nice rotation there against got up to 31, and changed there. So if you get the 31 in there, you got a nice little quick scalping there, scalping trade. We were trying to keep you long going into that, by the way, earlier. So if you did jump in there, you did well. If you got long there, we're looking to the 30, and if you did manage to hold on to it, got a nice little rotation up to the 30 area, and now we're scalping this 30 area here a little bit. Hopefully, you're making a little bit of money on the 30 area as well. So nice little quick opportunities here. Again, we had to be a little bit patient for the trades to develop, and we had a little bit of stubborn there against the 21, but we did say that we were going to get bullish there above 21. And once we got above it, we did rotate back up here, and we did come up to the 30 area. So if you did jump in there, hopefully you were able to take advantage of that quick opportunity. And again, took a little bit of time to develop, but the market did play themselves out very nicely for us and gave us a nice little quick scalping opportunity here against the 30 area. Whether you got long there and or if you got short against it, either way, hopefully you were able to take advantage of that trade one way or the other. All right. So again, uh, hopefully, like I said, we were trying to get you along, keep you along there above 21, looking for the 30 area. uh, if you did stay long there, you got a nice little trade. If you got short there against the 30, 31, 30 area, then you did well there too. Either way, whether you got long or if you waited for a level to get short, um, hopefully you were able to make a little bit of money on some of those or one of those. Now, right now, support will be back around the pivot there at 22. All right, nice little trade against our 30 area up top. If you were able to either get along or maybe stay short here against it, you are nice little trade. And this is a way to take a little bit more than 2 or 3 points on some of our trades, even though we're looking for 2 or 3 points minimally. But the market does give us some opportunities when everything kind of lines up to take a little bit more than that. And this was one of those opportunities there. If you were, depending on how many contracts you trade and how you manage those, obviously you're definitely going to take need to take some off the table, take profits, and then try to ride whatever you have left over a little bit more than that. So again, we just have 10:30 a auction as well as 12. And then again, those two things could move the market. We don't know. As we continue to downtick here a little bit, went down here to the 22 area here. A little bit of support if you're looking for a little support. If you're staying short, this is where you'd want to maybe cover them. And we got right down to the 22 area there. Again, a little support there if you were a little aggressive, looking for a trade. It's not a little quick scalping opportunity there. If we can, there we go. There. Quick 2 points there against that. If you did want to jump in, all we're trying to do is take advantage of ebbs and flows, taking quick rotations off the market when they present themselves. And obviously you have to be, it was just a matter of just being a little bit patient there if you wanted to get long. Again, if you did cover them there against the 30, you had a nice little trade. Even if you just scalped 2 points on each of those, you did well. Took a little bit of heat up on top there with the 30s, but all right. So another quick scalping opportunity there against 22 support. Bonds here on their lows, interim lows. But they were on their lows when we rallied. So can't always look at the bond market to give us kind of help. Again, if anybody has any questions, good time to ask. And held your hand here. At least we had some opportunities to trade today, and we didn't just talk about the weather all day long. And so we drifted quickly down to, we talked about the 10 area there, got down to 9, then had a couple trades there against our blue band, and then we kind of hung there for a bit and was suggested anything above the 21 would get us would we get bullish on the market. Got above the 21, and we had a nice little ride up to the 30 area. If you were scalping the 30 area, you had a nice rotation off of that opportunity. And maybe you were able to take advantage of that. And then we also had a rotation there against 22, a little scalp here. I would say the levels, you could probably do 3 points on the levels. That'll, again, depending on your risk tolerance, right? I mean, I would say at 3 points, the levels are, or, we are good enough to probably do 3 points. And you can probably, again, if you're more comfortable with 2, then just do 2 points. It also depends on volatility, right? And we've been so slow lately that probably 2 points would probably be okay. And we obviously here when you get a little bit more increased volatility, right? Maybe you can increase it to 3 because the volatility just picked up all of a sudden. So you kind of let the market kind of tell you what to do when it's so slow and nothing's going on. 2 points is probably justifiable. And we even talked about, the 2 points against a 21 above 21. And, you could have got in there at 19. Made a nice trade. It gave us a couple points there off of the 19 if you got short there at 19. So we kind of go backwards sometimes. 21 is an exit strategy. So you get in 19 or get into 20 and see if we can't get a rotation. Anyway, just different ideas. And again, most of it depends on volatility. I would have to venture to say so. And then you get increased volatility, maybe go to 3 when all of a sudden, you had that little pop up here to the 30 area. So you hit those stops and then maybe you can give it a little bit more just because there all of a sudden there's some more volatility. You can see where I'm going? And nothing's etched in stone. That's what I'm trying to say, which is all about, I keep saying that about trading everywhere, every time. All right. So had again we waited for a couple of nice trades. We definitely had about 5 trades I think today. I think we can easily say we accomplished that. Fat. Yeah, I would say we did. So that's couple nice trades here, right? See how fast we had a little buy up 21. We had a little sale there to 30. We had a little buy here at 20. So here, just in the last 20 minutes, we had like, you never know when we're going to get busy, right? So you just never know. And that's why you always have to, as traders, you have to stay focused and, always make sure you never know when there's going to be some increased volatility that comes into the market. All right. All right, we back up here to little interim highs, kind of. Next level on the upside, we're looking at it's up at the 38. Again, we've had some nice little quick opportunities here in the last 15, 20 minutes or so. So nice little quick trades, but we had some other opportunities later on. We had to be a little bit patient, waiting for all these trades, and hopefully we are able to take advantage of it. All right. Again, if anybody has any questions, good time to ask. We are looking for scalping opportunities. I think we talked to you through some of the trades today, so hopefully you were able to take advantage of some of them. And obviously, we do this on an everyday basis, and we'll be back tomorrow. Our next level on the upside is up at the 38 area. We already talked about a little support there at 22 on that last rotation down. So again, if you're aggressive, are you going to take that again? Otherwise, look for 38. If we get below the 15 there, have maybe a trade down to the downside. All right, get back in a bit.